Sonus Complete. Tinnitus Relief Supplement. Sonus Complete Review. What is Sonus Complete? Sonus Complete is a health supplement that contains natural ingredients and is used to silence and prevent tinnitus symptoms. This supplement is a United States of America-based product that helps you with the unbearable sound from the ear by reducing the cochlear nerve inflammation and at the same time strengthening the brain cells. Sonus Complete is a product that contained herbs and natural elements that give required nutrients to your body, complying with its nutritional needs and treating this complication from the roots, which provides you with permanent relief. Tinnitus is a feeling of noise, as roaring or ringing, caused by a bodily situation, as an interruption of the auditory wax or nerve in the ear, and usually is of the personality type which can just be felt by the one affected. This can be said to be a medical condition that affects one's ear, whereby the individual is the only one who can listen to the sounds and ringing. The Sonus Complete formula begins with clearing and repairing the brain system, so the nervous system can be relieved. This usually begins in the earliest few days of using the product. Sonus Complete is a brand new tinnitus relief supplement. By brand new, we mean that this is the latest anti-tinnitus supplement in 2020. The supplement is a natural solution to solve tinnitus-related symptoms and comes in pill form. Sonus Complete Tinnitus Relief is popular among people who want to supercharge their brains and put a stop to buzzing sound in the ear. Over-the-counter supplements such as the one we are reviewing have helped thousands of tinnitus sufferers. Sonus Complete, in particular, is a cost-effective pill to treat more than tinnitus symptoms. It has been saving hundreds of people from going crazy with that whooshing sound in their ear and providing true peace of mind. Everyone has the chance of getting tinnitus symptoms once in their life. Statistically, 65 million American people suffer from tinnitus. How Sonus Complete works. Sonus Complete works in 6 holistic steps to treat tinnitus and hearing disorders, which are as follows. Step 1, shuts down the ringing sounds. Step 2, improves the quality of hearing. Step 3, restores brain damage. Step 4, rejuvenates brain cells. Step 5, removes brain toxins. Step 6, provides brain protection. It helps to boost your confidence as an individual. It ensures better communication. Certain things in life are easier than most people think. That annoying ringing in ears, buzz, and whooshes are some of those that a clinician makes a hell of a complicated thing. You will be suggested several exams to identify the cause of the sound in your ear, earwax removal, different medication, antidepressants, or a form of the drug to reduce the severity. But things don't have to be this complex when you know the root cause of the hearing disorder. Sonus Complete addresses the underlying reasons and provides a natural solution to tinnitus. Save yourself from these lengthy, good-for-no-reason procedure. Get rid of that ringing sound by using Sonus Complete, the alternative tinnitus relief supplement which is most vetted among tinnitus support group and communities. Sonus Complete works in 6 holistic steps to treat tinnitus and hearing disorders. Order now. To buy the product, link is in the description box. Sonus Complete. Tinnitus Relief Supplement. Sonus Complete Review. What is Sonus Complete? Sonus Complete is a health supplement that contains